I've always been a little bit uncomfortable with how these plastic push sticks are. I don't like the fact that if I catch them in my table saw or my bandsaw, they're going to shatter and send shards everywhere. So I thought before I managed to do that, I'd make some quick and easy ones out of some old plywood. It also gave me a good chance to test my new bandsaw. Let's see how I've got on. So I recently trekked myself to this entry level bandsaw just to see if it was any good, how much I'd use it and whether it was worth investing in a decent piece of kit. The process for this project is very simple. Offer up and trace round a pre-existing push stick before moving on and chopping it out on the bandsaw. So here we are, it's only around 3 minutes. So cut this out to an okay standard, needs a little bit of a sand. I managed to get some detail in there for the hand grooves. I think it's a fairly good replica. It's been nice and easy to cut. This is the second project that I've done with this bandsaw. And both times it's cut well. The other one was a plywood butterfly. It cut around the corners fairly easily on that, as long as you take your time. Overall, it's cut quite nicely, cuts nice and quick in a straight line. As long as the curves aren't too tight, it does just fine. I think I'll call this one a success. Give it a quick sand down. And there we go guys, a quick and easy, simple project just to get used to me using the bandsaw. It's turned out quite nicely, come very much in handy. Let's see what else I can make. Thanks for watching.